Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. Hopefully you guys had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. I can't believe this month flew by. October it's crazy. We're in a holiday rush. So you might want to start looking now for some gift ideas, because the good old Santa Claus will be coming down the chimneys really soon, guys. So definitely check these guys out. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now. Check out and they'll ship it to you fast. So let's see what it is. Here we go. Whoa. Oh, these are cool. Galayou. It's like a light bulb camera. 2K, 3 megapixels, G6 light bulb camera. I like this. This is a really good idea. Galayou, Apple, or Google. We got 2K, 2-way audio, night vision, motion detection, smart siren, SD card storage, cloud storage, multi-user sharing. Let's get into it. I'm going to have to grab my other phone. I'm going to have to charge it. So we're going to have to pause this video after this unboxing part. So this is something cool. Definitely don't have one of these. Empty box. Definitely interesting. Oop. We got the screws. I think it should fit normally, unless maybe if you have a different housing light, so you can probably swap it out. But I think this is like the standard for like bathrooms and whatnot. Man, this is pretty cool. Galayou. Looking good. Alright, let me double check the manual. Did I even see the manual? How is there no... Oh, there it is. I was like, oh boy. Oh, you got the manual. Let me just pop this in. Here we go. Yeah, but this is definitely nice. It's not too heavy. And here's a mounting bracket. Oh, maybe that's what it's for. You can mount this onto something and then... Okay, there we go. See? And then there's the 2 screw spots. But we're going to go all out. We're going to go and actually install it. There's the screws. Mounting bracket. Extra screws. All you need is 2. Alright, we figured it out. That was kind of weird at first, but here's the manual. G6 QR code. And bada boom, bada bing. It should set up. Gotta think. Trying to think where I'm gonna shove this thing at. Kind of have a Let me download or get my other phone, and then I'll figure it out once that's charging. Alright guys, I have it all set up now. I decided to put it in my bathroom right now, because I know that's one I have running, because I have one of those smart lights. So it's pretty good, guys. I ain't gonna lie. Definitely a nice quality camera, especially for a 2K 3 megapixel light bulb camera. So this is definitely a nice one to get. Excuse my mess in the bathroom. I just gotta clean it up a little bit after these videos are done today. So there's just like towels there, so not too crazy. Like I said, this thing is really easy to set up. You can connect to Wi-Fi, and I have my tablet here. I have one of my older cameras right there. I don't know what I put it, but gotta rehook it up. There's the one right there at the top. You can do cloud, alert, no alerts, shows that. You could go devices, profile. You could add local photo for your profile picture. You can diagnose it in case there's something wrong with it. But so far everything's going smooth. You can have it multiple cameras. So if you have like 4 light bulbs, you can have 4 of them in a row. But we have a single one, so we're just gonna go like this. I'm not sure where it's positioned. There you go, there's a hallway. There's part of my bathroom. And then here's a microphone you could use. You could call it record. And then you could take snaps. Replay. Let me see if I could position. Yeah, we'll do it like this. Light on, light off. There's the light on. Oops. There we go. See? Color. Really nice. And then you can flip it. There we go. A really nice quality camera. Then if you want to go to like with the touch joypad, I'll show you how to do that. Close that back up. We'll get back into the normal view. There's right here it says console. I don't know if you guys can read that. Alright, in there. And there it is. You gotta touch it one tap. Or you can move it down, left, right, up. Give it a second. I think there's like a second delay. So, but really nice though to have. Like I said, definitely grab a couple for yourselves. Maybe a nice little housewarming gift. Great stocking stuffer, especially the size of it. So something new, something different. And like I said, all you gotta do is click the link down below, add it to your cart now, and check them out. Galayou on Amazon. I think we got pretty much everything covered. Waterproof, night vision, light off. You could have, then it'll go. There you go, night vision mode. Then you can have talk mode. You can talk to it, and I'll show you what it looks like up in the bathroom right now. And there it is on top. So, looks good. Oh, there you go. See, there's motion. Then it alerts you that somebody's right by the camera. Pretty cool. You'll never know. So there you go. YouTubers, there might delay. But like I said, really cool. Check them out. Be safe. Have a good night.